Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on minus 2 formula, okay? So where are we going to apply this formula of minus 2? Wherever I will be stuck in by subtracting 2, okay? So we are going to do B row in the class, A row will be your homework, okay? Let us start. 2, added 2, again 2, added 2 again, now again 2. We have learned the formula of plus 2 also, where we will apply that formula where I will be stuck in doing plus 2. So formula of plus 2 is plus 5 minus 3. Then minus 2. Now we are stuck in doing minus 2. So formula of minus 2 minus 5 plus 3. Okay, done. My answer is 4. What did I do? I got stuck in doing minus 4. Minus 2. So what did I do? I applied the formula of minus 2. That is minus 5 plus 3. Okay. And in between of the question, there were many formulas that were coming. So we are applying the formulas of those numbers also. Next, 3 added 3. Again 3. Now we are again stuck on 3 now. So formula of 3 plus 5 minus 2. Now minus 1 we can easily do. Then minus 2. We are stuck in minus 2. Now formula of minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3. Okay. So my answer for this question is 3. Okay. Next question. 4 added 4 plus 3. Do I have enough beats for 3? No. So formula of 3 plus 5 minus 2. Then minus 2 again because it's in the question. Then again minus 2. So formula of minus 2 is what? Minus 5 plus 3. I am stuck in doing minus 2. No, I don't have beats for minus 2. So my answer is 3 now. Okay. Sure. Next question. 5 added 5 minus 2. Do I have beats for minus 2? No, in the beginning only I don't have beats. So formula of minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3. Now we have to do plus 3 again. Do I have beats to do plus 3? No. Formula of 3 plus 5 minus 2. Now minus 2 again. Do I have beats to do minus 2? No. So formula of minus 2 minus 5 plus 3. My answer is 4. Okay. Next question. 6 added 6 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Do I have beats to do minus 2? No. So formula of minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3. Now plus 2. Do I have beats to do plus 2? No. So formula of 2 plus 5 minus 3. Everywhere we have to apply the formula wherever we are getting stuck. Okay. My answer is 5. I hope it was clear, guys. Okay. Complete the first row in homework and drop the answers in the comments. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.